The PT1200 is the most compact of Ikan's fully featured teleprompters. It is the newest version of the popular PT2500 teleprompter and is built according to the standard 15mm rod system. The custom-designed 12-inch monitor strikes a perfect balance between viewing distance and lightweight portability. The entire unit can be disassembled into 3 simple parts, including a foldable glass frame. This accommodating feature prevents users from having to readjust other gear and makes it hassle-free to pack along wherever you go. Best of all, you can quickly assemble the PT1200 in less than 60 seconds. Image quality is nothing less than extremely sharp and clear thanks to its American-made scientific-grade glass feature. The PT1200's new EV3 quick-release baseplate allows you to easily add or remove your camera. It can also accommodate different camera sizes with its adjustable height. Constructed out of durable metal with accessible input buttons, Ikan's teleprompter monitors are specifically designed for teleprompter use. You can also rest assured knowing the PT1200 will arrive safely to your doorstep inside of a custom-cut high-quality foam package. Just drop it in and go.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.